Hey guys, I am going to harvest my potatoes today. The vines have started dying back, so that's the sign that they're ready. I don't know if they're completely ready, but I plan on harvesting them anyway. So the first thing I'm going to do is cut them off. Throw the vine part away. Trying not to make too big of a mess, but I'm going to make a little bit of one. This one. These. Alright. Now, got this trash bag. I'm going to dump it all into a trash bag and then sift through the dirt for the potatoes. Oh, it's heavy. Wow. Okay, well, it came out in one piece. See? Now we're going to break it up. I don't know if we got any potatoes in here, to be honest with you. I have no clue. I haven't found one yet. Nope. Nothing. Not even one. Well, guys, I didn't even get one potato out of all that trouble. Not even one. Had some pretty plants there for a little while. Oh, shit. Alright. And now I'm getting dirty. All this time in trouble, and I didn't even get one spud. Not one little teeny tiny one. There was nothing. There wasn't even the old ones that I'd planted. They were all rotted away. So, dirt off of me. Okay. But, phew, excuse me. I'm going to have to clean this up. Okay, guys. Well, my potato experiment failed. Completely and totally. I mean, there wasn't any potatoes in there. There was nothing but dirt and a few roots. Not even one. Didn't even get one. Maybe it's because I used store-bought potatoes instead of potato seed stock. That could quite very well be the problem. Maybe, I don't know. But I didn't get one. So, anyway, if you guys would hit the thumbs up, comment, like, subscribe, share with your friends, consider supporting the channel, and check out my links down below, I would certainly appreciate it. You guys have a good day.